On.
Good morning, my name is Sunil Mohan. As you can see, my study is based on hypertension. As you can see, the significance of the study is like around 55 million Indians are suffering with hypertension, and most of the risk factors for hypertension are modified, by which we can reduce the incidence and prevalence of hypertension. And you can also see that incidence of hypertension is more in South India. The reason may be due to the more consanguineous marriages and the dietary factor. And my aims and objectives are to know the prevalence, to know the risk factors, and to study the awareness of hypertension and treatment among the people of rural India. And you can see my material and methods. Like I have recorded my blood pressure readings with a digital machine, and I use weighing anthropometric scale and measuring tape for recording BMI. And coming to my results, you may ask me what is the difference. As you know that many studies have proven the risk factors, and you may ask me what is the difference between my study and other studies. The difference is the incidence and the intensity of the risk factors varies from place to place. So some of the risk factors are significant in a particular locality, and some risk factors are significant in other place. So these are the risk factors which are significant in my place. So you can see age, BMI, alcohol as a significant risk factors, apart from and smoking as a non-significant factor. Like, and one more interesting thing in my study is I have determined the pre-hypertensive age group, which accounts for around 41.5%. By controlling the pre-hypertensive age group, you can prevent them from progressing to grade 1 and grade 2 hypertension. So I suggested the pre-hypertensive age group to come to our nearby hospital and get regular checkups, and to modify the dietary and carry on with like increase their physical activity. And one more thing I have found out is majority of the people are unaware of their status. Around 68% are unaware of their status, and only 2.8% got completely control of their hypertension, and only 14% are on the treatment. So it signifies the non-awareness among the rural population about hypertension. So what I feel is it is very important to make them aware of their status of hypertension, and put them on the treatment. Then, coming to my conclusion, uh, we have we are planning to launch a intervention program in our locality, as we have adopted a village from my college. Like so, by intervening in, we can prevent the hypertension. And in a further perspective, I am considering into taking lipid profile, as well as taking a randomized study and comparing the rural population with the urban population. So it makes some difference, and the results may be different in urban population. So we will be interested the change in lifestyles, how the change in lifestyles influence the urban hypertensives and the rural hypertensives. So that's all my study. Thank you.